Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today I am planning to change the EG's window wiper because it's falling apart. I have the 20-inch for the driver's side and the 17-inch for the passenger side. So you're probably wondering, where do we find our window wipers? And how can we find the correct size wipers for our cars? Well, you can jump onto WiperTech to find the right size wipers. Firstly, you need to search your vehicle. Once you do that, WiperTech will simply provide the correct sizes for your car. You can also do the same on other automotive stores like Supercheap Auto, or simply go into store and ask. There is a few ways that you can find out when you need a new wiper. It either streak, make noise, or in my case, comes off like that. So, good idea to get a new one. I recommend using these curved blade ones because they have a fiberglass top which lasts longer than those plastic ones you get, and it's very easy to apply. So this is the hook, and pretty much the hook is gonna rest into this part here, and all you gotta do is press it in, and you gotta slide it this way, so you go like that, it's already in, and you just lock it like that and she's on. I'm also adding on Glaco. This pretty much adds a beading effect to your window. It acts like a ceramic coating, but this is like a fast way of doing it. I'm gonna add any car shampoo onto the window to clean up all the grease and dirt. Pretty much dry it up with a dry towel and apply this Glaco. Leave it on for 15 minutes before you wipe it off, and then you leave it for at least 12 hours before it can get wet again. So yeah, just check your weather forecast before you do this, because it can't get wet within 3 hours, let's say. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so once your window is all clean, now you just apply the Glaco. You just add it in circular motion. Once it's all dry, you just want to grab a clean microfiber towel and just start wiping. Okay, so after you wipe the crap out of it, then you just pretty much wait for the next day. So I'll see you there. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a day, and yeah, let's go see our results. There you guys have it. That is window wiper explained. All that matters is the size, and everything else is up to your own choice. Glaco is my personal recommendation if you just want fast results and better visibility in rain in general. I hardly have to use the wipers at times, especially when I'm going 80 to 90, it just goes away. It is also very easy to apply and very affordable. I'll link that below, so yeah, check that out. Hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.